In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening device's settings and scrolling to hit password and security. Then tap on face unlock here. Enter your screen lock and tap on enroll face. Now wait 5 seconds to hit start at the bottom. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then select one of those options by clicking on the best one for you. And when you finished, hit done. So when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!